Starms here, and today I just want to ask you, are you making money online yet? You know, it took me so long to make my first dollar online. I love the idea of marketing. I love the whole entrepreneurial spirit and the freedom that you get from working at home. But you know, it is not the easiest thing in the world to make money online because there are many components that go into doing that. You have to have a system. You have to have a plan and you have to be disciplined. Now, when I say a system, I'm talking about the whole process from A to Z. Putting your brand together, knowing what tools you're using online and the flow of your business. And then how are you keeping the conversation going with the leads or the people that express interest in what you're doing? You have to have a way to follow up with them because, as people have said, the money is in the follow-up. And if you have a system where you're reaching out to people who have expressed interest, that's how you make money over the long haul. But again, a system has to be in place because if it's not, then you're just wasting your time. But if you're ready to do it right and really begin making some serious money online, then go ahead and click the link and check out the free resources and advice that I have for you, and connect with me, ask me any questions, and go ahead and get started so that you can begin making money online. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you. Take care.